We have an amazing trading method using Binary Sniper Pro version 3.4. Make sure to have Heiken Ashi candles with the RSI set to a period of 17. The important thing is to change our candle time to 10 seconds. We got a sell alert for Euro GBP, and as we can see, we have an uptrend state here, and we are waiting for the right spot for reversal. As we can see, it creates a line going down, and we have its reversal candle pattern here. Let's trade going lower. We will trade $20 per entry, with a duration of 1 minute. This perfect indicator helps many traders spot reversals with ease. We have already achieved positive trading results within an hour and reached our daily target. We have our trading result and will wait for the next signal to pop up. AUD JPY has a sell alert signal. Let's check its actual chart and find out if it's in a bad state to trade. This one is in a bad trend. The RSI is not on the trend, and there is a lower probability of a winning trade. It creates abnormal behavior, resulting in a 50-50 chance of getting a positive result. Let's wait for another signal and ignore this one. Another trading alert. Euro CAD has a buy signal. Let's check its chart to see if it meets our trading requirements. There is a good downtrend pattern. Let's wait for the RSI line to make a reversal pattern, along with our candlesticks. It creates a reversal move here and also creates a reversal RSI line going up. This is a good opportunity to trade higher. The trend is going up, presenting a high possibility of a winning trade. Perfect trading strategy. Support us and like this video to get the latest trading strategies with Olymp Trade and other trading brokers. Achieve positive trading results with these great trading strategies. Euro GBP has a sell alert, but its chart is in a bad state. We will disregard this and trade with another currency pair. AUD JPY got buy alert, but it got bad trading opportunity. We will disregard and wait for another confirmation. AUD JPY got another pop-up signal, and its chart is good. We will trade it going up.